also, no, ma'am?
Yes, you can take breakfast also.
Breakfast.
Breakfast opposite.
Breakfast.
Yes. Breakfast opposite.
Dinner.
Yeah, you can take dinner. Good. Terrible. What is the meaning of terrible?
Extremely bad.
Yeah, extremely bad. We have taken this in our previous theme also, right?
Yes.
Okay. Terrible, extremely bad. And what is the opposite of terrible, you know?
Opposite.
Very good or brilliant or excellent. Okay. The opposite word of terrible. And yes, so these are the opposite words you have to find out. Today's your homework is also that only, children. Read out the complete chapter 7. Find the opposites from the text. Will you do it?
Opposite.
Will you do
Amma,
it?
దీంట్లో opposite అంటే find చేయాలట.
Okay, you have to find out the opposites. At least 10 opposites. How many you have to find? Manvit Raj? Manvit? Yes, beta, are you able to understand? Yes, what you have to do today as homework? Yes, read the chapter, find out the opposites from the chapter, okay? Very good. Yes, Shreyas Rao? Shreyas?
Opposite words, ma'am.
Yes, opposite words. Okay. Yes, children. Now we'll start the chapter reading with P. Kartika. P. Kartika, are you ready? P. Kartika? Turn on your video. Children, if you will not respond, I'm going to deduct the marks from the GA. Be careful. Immediate respond. On your video.
What?
Turn on your camera.
Ma'am.
Yes. Start reading. And children, everyone, you have to follow.
When Heidi woke up, she looked around her in great surprise.
Okay.
She was in a high white bed
Okay.
in a large room full of chairs and tables and cupboards.
Cupboards. Okay.
Then she remembered. She remembered
She was
in Frankfurt.
no Frankfurt. That's wrong. You have to tell she was in Frankfurt.
She was in Frankfurt and she was her bedroom.
This was. Okay,
Ma'am?
Akshay Lakshmi. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. There was even a wash bowl in the corner full of water. So she washed and dressed. Then she went to one of the high windows and
Right?
tried to look out.
Oh. Come on, start, continue. Isn't it? Huh?
Isn't it terrible? She said. You cannot teach her with Clara. Oh, I don't know, said Mr. Candidate. When shall we shall see. We must begin with ABC. Heidi thought the ABC was very hard. She didn't learn. Didn't learn anything that day. In the
Okay, Zaid. Zaid, good. Start reading,
in
Supratik.
the afternoon,
In the afternoon, huh?
Clara went to the bed.
Okay, 1 second, Supratik, just listen to me, beta. Yes, here in the afternoon, you can divide it into 2 words and you can read. See, put the finger at afternoon, afternoon, and you divide it into 2, beta. AFTER, after.
After
NOON, noon. Okay, you can read like that. When big words are there, beta, you divide it into 2 words and read. Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in the afternoon. Next one, read beta. Clara.
Clara
Huh?
went to the bed
Huh?
and his room was
Went to her room.
went to her room.
Hmm.
I will
Yes.
do
I will.
I will
Huh? Go. Go.
go.
Huh? Next. Continue.
A
F- Go for. FOR for.
FOR for
A.
a
Walk.
walk.
Now you read. Now you read again. In the afternoon. Read out from the first.
In the afternoon,
Huh? Clara.
Clara was going to the bed.
Clara went to bed.
Clara went to bed.
Very good. Once again, read.
She went out of the big door and into the street.
Very good. You are reading good, but continue it. I want you to continue in a faster way.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, do it.
She went out of the big door and into the street.
What, beta? She went out.
She went out.
Huh?
She went out. Which page, ma'am?
21 page number. Last sentence. See? Last paragraph.
She went out. She went out.
Hmm. Okay. Nothing. Huh? I'm going to share the screen. Based on this chapter in Frankfurt, we are going to take the meanings. So write the date 22 and 1 and write CW and chapter name in Frankfurt. in Frankfurt. Meanings. The first meaning is surprise. The first meaning is surprise. Shock. What is the meaning of surprise? Shock. Heidi was in shock. Yes, when she opened her eyes, when she woke up, she was in shock to see a big room, to see white big bed. Number 2, terrible. What is the meaning of terrible? Extremely bad. Extremely bad. Notice. Observe. Observe. Perhaps. Perhaps. Maybe. Perhaps. Maybe. Number 5. Strange. Strange. Unfamiliar. Unfamiliar. Done, children? Everyone done? Now, yes. Now let's write few opposites. Okay? Write the heading opposites. If you have, I think you have some lines down.
Not
can-
completed, ma'am.
Who's that?
Srivas.
Okay, Shrivas.
Ma'am,
Write it.
only 3 lines are there.
Okay, so you can take the new page, beta. Take a
Okay,
new
ma'am.
page and write the opposites as a heading. Come on. Opposites.
Opposite.
And the first opposite is phone తెచ్చిండు తీసుకో.
Opposite.
ఫోన్ మర్చిపోయినా.
Ma'am, for opposites, next page we can take.
You can write in next page, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
First opposite. Yes, Misbah, any doubt? Misbah? No, he's not responding. Okay. Write the opposites. Large opposite, small. Remember opposite, forget. Ground opposite, sky. Breakfast opposite, dinner.
Have it now, minute,
Breakfast opposite, dinner. Okay, these are the few opposites I have given, and some more opposites you have to write today from the textbook. You have to find out. That's your task. Okay, 10 more opposites. You should read the text. You have to find out the meanings and write down in the notebook. Okay. Yes, Krishika ji.
page.
Yes.
Ma'am, from which page we should find and we should write?
Total chapter 7 you have to read.
Okay, ma'am. From
Okay. Yes, Hanvika.
Ma'am, I have just only 4 lines, ma'am, down.
Yes, yes, beta.
I have only 4 lines, ma'am.
Oh, okay, only 4 lines. So I told to write opposites in the next page, no, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write same page, opposite page only. We have to write today homework.
You can continue. You just put HW on the next line and you can continue in the same page.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. कट करो कट कर दो भाई साहब